Biggest wrong thing you could ever do. Hey, Chris, man, your consulting fees, it's just too much. We can't afford it. What can I do to get your business? Right? Hey, by the way, I just told you, I'm a complete pathological liar. I have no clients, and gosh darn it, I was just hoping you were the one sucker that was going to pay full price. So now that we're talking honestly with each other, what would you like the price to be? That's garbage. But when you say things like, what can we do to get your man, it's Q4, we really want to make this happen. I was talking with Tony Gomez, my regional. We want to get this deal together for you. What can we do to get your business? Okay? Don't do any of that. First of all, most of the time when somebody says you're too expensive, they are not saying, I'm not doing business with you. I don't know where you heard that. Like, is there wax in your ears? When somebody says, hey, Chad, you're too expensive, they're not saying, hey, Turget, I'm not doing business with you. They're saying Chad's too expensive. Those two things can coexist. Chad can be too expensive, and I can do business with Chad. Most of the good stuff out there is simultaneously too expensive and everybody buys it, right? First easiest thing when it's too expensive, agree with them and move forward. I hear you. Does it make sense to get the advertising campaign so your real estate professionals can get an extra 52 leads in per month, thus helping you guys recapture where you're at from the losses from last year and finish this year above 17 million for the agency? Yeah. Congratulations, you made a great decision. What happens next? I'm going to shoot you over a DocuSign with the agreement. Hey, you're too expensive. What do we need to do? Well, could you drop the price of your consulting fee on the advertising? No, I can't do that. What should we do? Well, I don't know. I'm stuck if you can't lower your price. Okay. Also, you guys have worked through this on the portal, your price reduction workflow, right? Go back to the stuff that's on your Easton University portal. Chad, we discussed the pricing 6 weeks ago. What's changed? Nothing's changed. I'm serious about it now. Cool. Is there anything you want to take out from the recommendation? No, we want it just the way it is. Chad, you estimated that this ad campaign is going to get you guys another $9,352 in top line revenue to the practice every month. Does it make sense to start now? Right? You guys got to be cool, calm, and collected. Follow these workflows. If you're ever going to give somebody, make sure you have a get, right? Can you get me 10 additional users on the agreement now? Right? Can you give me a testimonial? If you can do that, I will cover the cost of XYZ. Don't ever discount. Cover the cost on something if you need to, but make sure you get something in trade. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.